Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will give you a special announcement because I think most of you have realized that I'm live streaming in the past few weeks. So in case you don't know about that, these are basically live codings on Twitch, and in these live codings I'm currently building a clean architecture social network using Jetpack Compose and just showing you the whole process, the whole picture, so you can see how I struggle, how I fix my bugs, that not everything is as easy in the real world as it looks on YouTube, and that you can also just live interact with me and give me feedback on what I'm doing. I can give you feedback if you have any questions. I can much better answer these questions live, obviously. So in the end, we build this app together and you can impact the outcome. So if you haven't heard of that, just check the link below, my Twitch link, so you can follow me on Twitch and not miss these streams, which will be every Monday and every Thursday. I have my schedule there. These streams will, of course, always be 100% free. However, I understand that not everybody of you can always watch every stream. So what I want to do is I actually record all of these streams, and you can also find the first 2 recordings here on YouTube. You can just watch these. I will record every single stream, and then I will upload these streams here on YouTube for channel members. Channel member means that you need to click on this little join button down here, and there you have 3 tiers, so 3 different levels of membership, and having at least the tier 2 will give you access to all my live streams from the past and also all the live streams in the future that I will make. Let's quickly go through the 3 tiers we have here. On the one hand, we have tier 1. That will be for $2.99 a month. The price might differ a little bit from country to country and currency to currency. In Germany, it's 2.99 euros. I think in the US, it's $2.99, I think. But the first tier basically gives you a bunch of emojis that you can use on my channel, and also loyalty badges. So if you are a member for 1, 2, 3, 6 months and so on, then there will be a badge next to your name when you comment something in my channel. The first tier will also give you member-only polls. So in my community tab here on this channel, you will then regularly find member-only polls. So whenever I'm not sure how I want to decide about something related to the channel, then I will make such a poll, because I think as a member you're one of my closest subscribers, and then you should also have the biggest impact on my decision. Then we have tier 2, which will be for $4.99 a month. That will give you access to all these live streams, as I said. So that will be probably 15 hours or probably even more of video material that I will upload every month. So for $4.99 a month, you get more than 15 hours of Android content. That is the main perk you get with that tier, but you will also get priority replies to comments. So nowadays I can't reply to every comment anymore. It's just too much. But if you have this tier 2, then I will prioritize replying to your comments compared to normal subscribers. And of course, for every tier, the tiers that come before will also be included. So for tier 2, you will also get member-only polls, and you will also get the emojis and badges. And then there is tier 3, which is $9.99 a month, and that's more meant to be like a donation tier. So of course you get everything from tier 2 and tier 1, but it doesn't give you any extra perk. So if you say these 5 extra bucks don't hurt you and you really want to support me in my channel, then you can take that tier. But if not, you're totally fine just getting the second tier. And of course, you can cancel these memberships at any time. So it's not like you do this and then you're bound in a contract for like 24 months or so. No, you can cancel these at any time. You can also just take these for a month, try them out, see what kind of live streams I post. By the way, you can already see that in the first 2 videos I posted here on YouTube from my Twitch live streams. And yeah, just feel free to try it out. You will find a join button somewhere down here. You can click on that. YouTube will give you further information on how to proceed, and you will also get more information about these different tiers and what you get out of these. If you say you don't want such a membership, then of course that's totally fine. For you, nothing will change. I will keep uploading normal Android videos here on YouTube regularly. Just if you get such a membership, then you will get some bonuses, but you there won't be anything taken away from you if you don't get it. So thanks for watching, click on join and take a look what you can get there. I would be very thankful for having some members so I can also maintain all these free live streams and free videos here on YouTube. I wish you an excellent day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.